Hey guys, it's been ages since I've done a video. Life last summer just kind of caught up to me, and we had the dreaded disease in August, and my summer kind of fell to pieces with the lack of energy to get anything of much done in the garden. I mean, I did get some stuff, but I had to work out there for like 15 minutes and then take a break. So I ended up not filming much more, but I'm hoping I can get back into doing it. Today I was just kind of doing a few things here and there, and I thought I would show you one thing that I like to do when I have the stuff to do it with, and that's to make plant labels. Since I'm gearing up for the spring planting season, I'm hoping I can bring you along with some planting things that I have planned. But anyway, I'm always running out of labels when I'm planting. Even when I buy some, I never seem to buy enough, and they fade and what have you. But a really good cheap trick that I have found is to take a plastic. You can use, I like cottage cheese because they're long. You can use cream cheese, any kind of plastic container, really. And what's really nice is they cut really easily. So if you just kind of, depending on how wide you want them, just kind of go around and cut them down. Like so. I say it's easier to go around like this all the way. I'm not very straight. Alright, so then once you get all the way around, you can just kind of go around here and cut them off. Like so. And then I like to just make a little point on the end. It makes them go into the ground easier. So there you have a plant tag. And you can make them as thin or as narrow as you want. But this gives me, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 plant tags to use. And another thing, when you're labeling them, see if I can get this in the picture, you want to use, this is a China marker or a grease pencil. I found that Sharpies end up fading. You can use a pencil, but I found that pencils end up fading too. So I like to use these. I bought these online, I believe. I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description. But let's see if I can. Oh, let's just do, since I'm going to be starting onions soon. So there, you can write your onions on. You can write the date that you started them, whatever you want, and then just stick them into your pot. So really quick and easy, no cost, because you probably just throw this in the recycling bin or throw it away, whatever. So a nice and easy way to do some recycling and give yourself some plant tags while you're at it. So hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos like this. Give me some ideas of things that you might want to see. I hope to take you along on my seed starting, which will probably start next week, with some artichokes. I've never done artichokes, but I would like to try some. And we'll do onions here soon and some other things. So drop a comment down below of some things that you might like to see in coming videos. And once it starts to warm up, we're expecting a snowstorm here later today. I have to dig out my greenhouse again so I can get in there, but I did manage to get some stuff out so I can start seeds. So But drop some comments below on some things that you might like to see in upcoming videos. So until then, have a great day. If you're in the snow area that we are, hopefully you won't get too snowed in. They're only saying 7 to 12 inches. We'll see what we end up getting. So, all right, have a good day.